Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your 401k to an IRA in 2025. Whether you're switching jobs, retiring, or just wanting more control over your retirement savings, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the deal with a 401k and an IRA? A 401k is typically offered through your employer and comes with restrictions, while an IRA is a personal account that gives you more investment options. In 2025, there are some key updates to keep in mind, like potential changes to contribution limits, currently around $23,000 for a 401k and $7,000 for an IRA, but always double-check with the IRS for the latest. Step 1. Assess your situation. Make sure you're eligible for a transfer. Most people can roll over their 401k to a traditional or Roth IRA, but if you're under 59.5 years old, watch out for early withdrawal penalties. Next, decide which IRA is right for you: traditional for tax-deferred growth or Roth for tax-free withdrawals later on. Step 2. Gather your documents. You'll need your 401k statements, account details, and info on your new IRA provider, like Vanguard or Fidelity. Shop around for low fees to maximize your returns. Now, the main event: initiating the transfer. Contact your 401k administrator and request a direct rollover to avoid taxes and penalties. This means the funds go straight from your 401k to your IRA without touching your hands. If you're doing an indirect rollover, you'll have 60 days to deposit the funds into your IRA, but that's riskier. Don't forget about 2025 specifics. There might be new rules on Roth conversions, so consult a financial advisor to ensure you're compliant and optimizing for taxes. Common pitfalls include forgetting to update beneficiaries or overlooking fees, so stay vigilant. Once it's done, monitor your IRA regularly and adjust your investments as needed. That's it for today's guide. Transferring your 401k to an IRA can be a game changer for your financial future. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Leave your questions in the comments below. I'll see you next time.